Good afternoon, teacher and everyone. Today we come here to sandwich. Before make sandwich, you have to wash your hand first. How to make sandwich? You will need butter, bread, tomatoes, salad, tomato sauce, and mayonnaise sauce. First step, we put one slice of spread on the plate. Second step, put butter on the bread. Third step, put salad. Tomatoes. Fourth step, tomatoes and meatball. Fourth step, put tomato sauce. And mayonnaise sauce. The last step, put the other bread on top. Like shoot sandwich. Thank you, teacher and everyone.